How to join community chat in Messenger. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can join community chat in Messenger. To join a community chat in Messenger, make sure you have the link to join that community chat. Open your Messenger application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now here, tap on the Chats tab at the bottom left corner of your screen in this Messenger. And now look for community chat section. Or you may also tap on the chat where you are being sent the link of that community chat. And once you receive the link, you will need to simply tap on the link in order to join that community. After that, now you can simply tap on one of the chats to join it. Also, some community chats may require you to accept rules and guidelines before joining. You will need to review and agree to them if prompted in order to join them. And once you are inside it, you can participate in text, audio, or video discussions depending on the chat's format and settings. Also note that you may not be able to join the community chat if you are not the part of a Facebook group that has the invite link. You will need the invite link in order to join the community chat. Also, some chats may be restricted to admins or specific members. You will need to ensure that the chat is public or that you meet any membership requirements for private groups. If you don't have the invite link, then you can also go to the Facebook group and then there you will need to navigate to the chat tabs or community home section in order to find the invite link. So by following these steps, you should be able to join community chat in Messenger. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.